Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build a web chat application in just 10 minutes using the Tencent RTC MCP and Cursor as our editor. Let's get started. First, the installation is very simple. Just copy the provided code, go to Tools and Integration in Cursor, select Add Custom MCP, and paste in the JSON configuration. You'll know it's working when the small dot here turns green. Now I'll demonstrate how to build the web demo using React. We'll copy the prompt from the documentation and paste it here. Next, we need to get our sdkAppID and secretKey. You can find these in the RTC console. Click Create Application, enter an application name, select Chat, and click Create. Once that's done, we'll fill in the sdkAppID and secretKey here. Okay, let's run the initial setup. We'll name our project Demo and choose React 18 and TypeScript. You can select whichever options you prefer for your own project. Now, we'll just wait for the setup to complete. If you open the config.js file, you'll see we need to enter a UserID and UserSig. For instructions, you can always refer to the README file. To get these credentials, go to the chat console, click User Management, and then Create Account. Let's enter a username, for example, Test1. Next, go to Developer Tools and click UserSig Generation. Find the application you just created, enter the username Test1, and click Generate. The result is your UserSig. After filling in the UserID and UserSig, we can open the terminal, navigate into our project folder with cd demo, and start the app with npm run dev. And just like that, you have a chat demo running on your local host. This is great, but to properly test a chat application, we need to simulate a conversation between two people. To do that, let's add a simple login screen. This will allow us to switch between different users easily. I'll modify the prompt to create a basic login page where we can enter the user ID and UserSig before loading the chat interface. Wait for the code to generate. Now, you can see our new login screen. I'll enter the user ID and UserSig for Test1 and log in. To simulate the other user, let's open another terminal and run npm run dev again to start a second instance. We'll go back to the chat console and create a Test2 account. Then generate a UserSig for Test2 just like we did before. Now, in the second browser window, we can log in as Test2. You can now fully experience the chat functionality. Let's have Test2 add Test1 as a friend, and you'll see they can now chat in real time. This was a quick and easy demo of how to use the Tencent RTC MCP with Cursor. From here, you can add more features by following the TUIKit integration documents. Happy coding!